Lunaventra is marketed as a stylish men's fashion boutique with modern minimalist clothing at huge discounts. But the real question is it actually a legitimate clothing store or just another risky online fashion site? Now, to be fair, some newer online clothing stores are legitimate, and not every Instagram fashion ad automatically means scam. What it does well, the website looks professional. At first glance, the site appears clean and modern, which helps create the image of a premium boutique. Trendy men's fashion style. The clothing follows a minimalist neutral tone aesthetic currently popular on social media. Where it falls short, the website is extremely new. One of the biggest red flags is that the domain was reportedly registered only in March 2026, despite presenting itself like an established fashion brand. Very low trust scores. Multiple scam detection sites rate Lunaventra as high risk or unsafe due to weak reputation history, hidden ownership information, and suspicious signals. Possible phishing and blacklist warnings. Some security services reportedly flagged the website as suspicious or potentially unsafe. Almost no real customer history. There are very few verified long-term customer reviews available, which is unusual for a supposedly established clothing brand. So, is Lunaventra real or fake? Lunaventra raises multiple serious warning signs commonly associated with scam or high-risk dropshipping clothing stores. The extremely new domain, low trust ratings, and customer complaints make it difficult to recommend confidently. Final verdict. Lunaventra equals attractive marketing, questionable legitimacy. If you decide to buy anything, use strong payment protection, avoid spending much money, and lower your expectations about quality and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.